Don't do it too hard, all right? It'll just come up, splash in the eye. Forget it. You'll be third-degree burns. You'll be in the hospital for a week, all right? Did you get hit?
Sure did.
Did you get burned?
I got shot.
Yeah, no. He's not gonna make it. Send the ambulance. Man down. We gotta finish the dish. And some Fresno pepper. I got a little Fresno pepper because I like to add a little spice. We're gonna dump these right in, whole. You ain't gotta do anything else. So the nice thing about these is they're so sweet, there's not a lot of acidity in them. So you do get a very sweet sauce. I like this pasta, nice light pasta in the summertime, Ben. You know what I love also too? I'm gonna boil my angel hair in this pot from the Shawshank Redemption. This pot, I have no idea how old it is. I think this was at the Last Supper. Something, I have no idea, but I love that thing. Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today we got a delightful dish, an angel hair with yellow tomato sauce. All right, Ben, so we got our Dutch oven here. I like to make this dish in the Dutch oven because I gotta use my emulsifier, and I like a nice deep pot. Someone actually, Ben, can you believe someone actually in a previous video crapped all over my nice Martha Stewart Dutch oven?
What?
Yeah.
Messed up.
They said, you don't clean your Dutch oven, right? I just want to let you know, I have scrubbed this. The housekeeper, Yannick, has scrubbed this. She gets everything clean. This is just worn. This is love that has been cooked in this pot, all right? So all you people out there, or this one particular guy who crapped all over my Dutch oven, go to hell. It's got patina.
Patina?
It's got patina.
It's got patina.
I think it's got patina.
That's a really good way to put it.
Yeah, it's patinaed. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna sell this thing on the Antique Roadshow in about 20 years. So we got our Bono olive oil, friends of the show, okay? What are we gonna do? We're gonna just simply coat the bottom of our pan. We're gonna put our heat on. I'm gonna go medium.
Just a straight up medium, huh?
Just a medium, why not? I don't feel like going in between today.
Yeah.
I don't want to do Merlot or Lilium. I'm just going on a medium, all right? And we're just gonna heat that up. Summertime, it's very hot out today. Ben's fresh back from a vacation. Got a haircut. Folks, if you've been watching this show, you know that Ben's hair has been very long for a very long time. And he went to the barber. We share a barber. Michael.
Crisp.
Unbelievable.
It's a crisp cut.
Like a gentleman. You look like you're ready to rob someone's trust fund. God bless you. All right, I'm going in with my onion. Got this very nice wooden spoon. You can find this on our Amazon shop, but this may be the one that my mother-in-law gave me, so you're not gonna find it on the Amazon shop. All right, so you're gonna go about 5, 6, 7 minutes on the onion. Get a little color on it. With about 4 minutes in, I'm gonna throw in my garlic and some Fresno pepper. I got a little Fresno pepper because I like to add a little spice. I'm using DiCecco tonight. I've been pleading with DiCecco, send us something, call me, brand deal, sponsorship. Let's partner, we're growing. You wanna grow, I know you got a good business. Doesn't matter, when you see this dish, you're gonna say, hey, those two fellas deserve a sponsorship. Anyway, until then, enough. I like this pasta, nice light pasta in the summertime, Ben. You know what I love also too? I'm gonna boil my angel hair in this pot from the Shawshank Redemption. This pot, I have no idea how old it is. I think this was at the Last Supper. Something, I have no idea, but I love that thing. You don't want too much oil in there. You just wanna get a coating. That way you can do your onion, your garlic, your Fresno pepper. Because once you throw your tomatoes in there also, you're gonna get a lot of water coming off of those tomatoes, and that's gonna create that sauce. And it's a very sweet sauce, it's really delicious. Got some cloves of garlic sliced up. If you wanna mince it, you can mince it. I don't care. If you wanna cut that a little bit bigger and not dice it like I did, you can do that also. Because we're gonna take the emulsifier and we are gonna blend the hell out of this thing anyway, so it doesn't matter.
What inspires you to make this dish?
about a week and a half ago, you were on vacation, you know. Lindsay got her hair done by her hairstylist, Joey Perotti. If I got his last name wrong, Joey, I apologize. Joey's a great guy, originally from Jersey, hails from New Jersey. His mother is a fantastic cook, and he said to Linz, have you ever had yellow tomato sauce? To which I never really even thought of. So Linz came home, she said, yellow tomato sauce. We ran out, we went to my favorite place, the LA Farmers Market. Carmen at the farm stand had these beautiful tomatoes, which I have washed very thoroughly. And I made yellow tomato sauce, and I said, oh my God, we need to show the people. So shout out to Joey and his Jersey mother. She probably does it a little bit differently than I do, and it's maybe even a little bit better. Nonetheless, I'm making a beautiful dish. Everything I like to season. So let's do a little pinch of salt and some pepper. All right, Ben, so we're gonna throw in our cherry tomatoes, our yellow cherry tomatoes. I got these at the LA Farmers Market. We're gonna dump these right in, whole. You ain't gotta do anything else. Let them cook down for about 15, 20 minutes. So the nice thing about these is they're so sweet, there's not a lot of acidity in them. So you do get a very sweet sauce. It is absolutely delicious. A little salt, a little pepper. We're gonna grate a little cheese on there. We're gonna throw some fresh basil that we got sliced up in there. Oh my God, it's gonna be fantastic. All right, Ben, so we've had the tomatoes in the Dutch oven here for about, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes, and you can see how they are starting to split. So they're getting very soft. So with the back of your spoon, you just press them. Don't do it too hard, all right? It'll just come up, splash in the eye. You'll be, forget it, you'll be third-degree burns. You'll be in the hospital for a week, all right? And you want to keep an eye on it. You know, I had it on, you know, in between a low and a medium heat here. You don't want to have the heat too high and burn everything in there. You'll see they'll just start to stew a little bit. See? Did you see that one?
I sure did.
Got crazy. Whoa, that would have left a mark, is what I'm saying. Can I tell you something? Did you get hit?
Sure did.
Did you get burned?
I got shot.
Did you get burned? Let me get on the phone.
I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna survive.
Let me call somebody. Yeah, no, he's not gonna make it. Send the ambulance. Man down. We gotta finish the dish. See? You see what I'm saying? You gotta be careful, and I was doing it gentle. Sometimes it gets a little out of hand. Now look at you, you're standing in the rafters.
Yeah, I don't want to be anywhere near you.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I don't blame you, baby. Look at that. It's creating our sauce right here. Let's do a little salt. A little pepper. So now they're soft enough. What we're gonna do, we got our emulsifier. Here she comes. You ready for this, Ben?
And where can the people find it?
This emulsifier, made by Mueller from Australia. Australia. The Australians don't make anything. The Austrians make things. So you can find this on our Amazon shop. Don't ask if there's any discounts. There's not, because we're not, you know, even making that much money. But order one so we get a couple of shekels in the bank account. Anyway, so here we go. I got this thing turned up to 11 out of 12.
Spinal Tap.
Tim the Tool Man Taylor. Anyway, so we're gonna go in, okay? And let's. What's this button do? Pulverizes. She pulverizes. If you want more chunks in the sauce, don't emulsify it that much. Also too, there are people who would strain this because they don't like the skin in there. I, however, disagree. I think the skin gives it a nice little texture there. Now you'll see it gets a little bit thick. You can loosen that up with just some pasta water, you'll see. And then once we throw our pasta in there, it's gonna add a little starchiness, it'll thicken up again, but it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So let's, should I taste it? Why not? See if we need a little salty peppy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So once you have your sauce all emulsified, you get the chunks out of there. Again, I leave the skin in there, it gives a little texture. We're boiling our water. I turn the heat off on our sauce. I will add a little pasta water into there to thin it up a little bit. And then once you're done with that, we're gonna have our angel hair. We're gonna put it right in there, throw some fresh basil in, and we'll be ready to plate up. You know, in the summertime, you really wanna take advantage of really great produce, like yellow cherry tomatoes. They're in season. They're about May through November, but let me tell you, in the summertime, I'm in Southern California. Oh my God, they are so sweet and delicious. And when you make a sauce out of this and you use angel hair, it's nice, light. Pour yourself a glass of white wine. Oh my God, what an evening you're gonna have. You don't wanna have heavy meat sauces and then you're feeling weighed down. You don't wanna do that. It's hot out. You don't need that. All I'm saying is, angel hair with yellow tomato sauce is a traditional Italian dish that you can have any time of year, but really perfect in the summertime. If you want this recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from our house to yours, bon appetit. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this recipe, we got plenty more. Actually, over 150 recipes, which you can find here in this corner because Ben put the link to our channel. If you want something similar to what we made here today, we have in this corner our pasta salad, which is a delight for the summer.